Welcome to the Mavaverse.
Have you heard the news? How to get the MVX token, previously known as the MVV token. First, go to Pancakeswap.finance and make sure it's the correct website to avoid any phishing activity or schemes. Make sure to have the MetaMask web browser extension installed. Now, go ahead and click Connect Wallet. Click the MetaMask icon and wait for the MetaMask wallet pop-up to load. Then, to unlock your MetaMask wallet, enter your wallet password. And do not openly share your password or passphrase for security purposes. Now ensure that you are on the correct account that you will use in getting the MVX token here on Pancakeswap. And don't forget to switch to Binance Smart Chain Mainnet. Now hover to the Trade tab on the left side. Click the Swap option and focus only on swapping here on the right-hand side. Click the drop-down arrow. Note that entering MVX will not make the token show. So go ahead and click on Manage Tokens or paste the address if you already know. Now click the Tokens tab. If you don't know the MVX token address, don't worry. Option 1, go and enter the MAVATRIX official website, www.mavatrix.com. We constantly update our website, so make sure to visit from time to time. And don't forget to check the MAVATRIX NFT collection as well. Lastly, we've made it easier for you to get or buy the MVX token. You can buy it on our website or on Pancakeswap. You can go ahead and copy the token address, or, to be safe, go to bscscan.com and copy the token address from our website. And paste the copied token address from the website into the search bar. Click the search icon. In here, you will see the contract overview of the MVX token. Now click on Mavaverse MVX. Now you can see the profile summary and cross-check the token address that's on our website. Let's go ahead and copy the token address. Go back to Pancakeswap and paste. Don't worry if the MVX token logo is not showing. Go ahead and click Import and be careful while importing tokens. Make sure it's always the correct MVX token address. When you're all set and ready, check the I understand box. Then proceed to click the Import button. Again, focus on the right side to continue swapping. Ensure that you have enough BNB balance to get or buy the MVX token. Enter the amount you want to swap. You'll see the corresponding MVX token balance. The recommended slippage tolerance is from 8%, but you can also put 10%. Click Swap. Then click Confirm Swap. Do not refresh the page, and wait until the MetaMask wallet pops up. You can proceed to check the details of your swap before clicking Confirm. It is done. Then, your transaction receipt will show up in a bit, and meanwhile, before disconnecting, make sure to add the MVX to MetaMask. After clicking, MetaMask will pop up again. Go ahead and click Add Token. Proceed to double-check your MetaMask wallet. Happy buying! The MVX token is available on Pancakeswap.finance and on our website. If you're done, you can lock your MetaMask wallet or disconnect via Pancakeswap. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.
Welcome to the Mavaverse.
MAVATRIX.com